Be a warning to all of you. If you ain't serving the Lord, you serve that devil. This is what you get for evil in your life.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advised. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advised. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again. Great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Well, Dirty Foot, you think I'm somebody you play with? I'm here to tell the people them in St Lucia, you see me? I am a war boat. Me and Una cut out of the same cloth. So Una a war boat, me a warship. And you see, some little tomato, I want to know, say, Countryman a come food. And you see, certain people in St Lucia, especially one dreadlocks blood clot boy, may I make you know, say pussy. Gonna fuck with the wrong blood clot, man. That's all I'm gonna say. With that said, let me talk about this young girl. Now, Riley died, and there is a lot of bullshit going around saying that policeman said man come do it, this, that. Me personally, I'm sticking with the intel I get. Anything I get, I make sure I vet it. And it's in fair use. And I am sticking with the fact that the little tomato boy she a grind with, or was grinding with, him and the boy name Cuff Butter, Cut Butt, Dirty Batty. Me don't know that boy the name Lean Back Batty man, brother, yo. I wanna do it, me not care. But the biggest thing that surprises me in all of this, and even Dirty Foot, when she made the video to try and scandal my name, that I am responsible for the killings that these bottom feeder in St Lucia is doing. Yo, that shit shows you the kind of mentality some of the people them have in St Lucia. Now imagine, I am Jamaican and I am doing a vlog. I am the voice of the people of St Lucia, Jamaica, and different places. People contact me. I am going to support the voice of the voiceless. So she wants me to stop doing what I'm doing or whoever, so it can suit them. Wanna go suck out on a bomber ass clock, mama, where? Bomber clock, don't. Yo, nobody can shut me up, Uncle God. You understand? And the little girl, she died. and even Dirty Foot, and all of them is talking so bad about this young girl. You know what, St Lucia, gonna feel that young girl there. The reason why me all do that video here, you know, me see a little post on social media that the young girl uncle made, and this man feels the same way I feel. Look at this.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now this is somebody talking. I don't know if it's the uncle. To me it sounds like an uncle. But he said this: while we have studiously avoided comment, at least on Facebook, on the tragic passing of Riley, listening on very tragic, you continue to a reckless statement blaming everyone but yourself, as cannot continue to go unchallenged. So it seems like he's talking about somebody. Let's see who he's talking about. I cannot pretend to know the grief you feel as a mother. Okay, so it is Riley mother. I still that does not give you the right to continue on true statement. Well, I don't want, that's not what I'm concerned about. The part that I'm concerned about in this statement, you understand? He said, if the truth to be told on hindsight, perhaps we all fail Riley, and that's what I am focusing on. So rather than people blaming me like Dirty Foot about this young lady, say that I am causing people, why don't we focus on getting the killers? That's what this man said, or the person said in this thing right here. It's in front of me. So after I saw this, cause somebody texted to me, I said, you know what, I'm gonna do a commentary on this. And I think the people them have to search themselves. You understand? When you have a young 15-year-old girl sleeping with grown man, me hear say allegedly sleeping with policeman, this man, that man, you understand? And the way how people talk about this young lady, it's very worrisome, sickening and disgusting. And me, she is a little baby. Now, Dirty Foot went on to say in that rant she had a convoluted rant about me, that then she went to say that the Riley parents, the mother staying by the father in a cage, and all that shit right there is so disrespectful and so sad. And then what's even worse is people leave some comments saying they agree with that ignoramus lady who defecated in baths in Grass Street. Yo, I am laughing, but it's not funny, you know, yo. So I say that to say this: shame on you, St Lucia. You understand? And people need to start speak up. You understand? Stop blaming the messenger. You understand? And fix the problem. Now, I notice Mr. God, like we said, me here, they're doing some operation in La Claire. And it's a good thing because you have the LA gang round here, and I'm gonna be dropping something on them. You understand? Again. And he is really trying to do his best and do his due diligence to the people of St Lucia. And end with the word of this guy right here, cause this is not a long video. And like I said, me have more video for come. Because I am gonna do an expose. Those of you who don't know what expose is, go look it up. I'm gonna do an expose on certain things, and like me say, many more to come. But in the word of this man right here, let's focus on getting this young lady killers off the street, cause it could have been your daughter. You understand? And that's all I'm saying. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.